Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Border City. Today we're checking out a tour of a brand new 2018 Ford F-150 SuperCrew Lariat Sport Special Edition package. This 5028 package is lightning blue in exterior color. It's powered by a 3.5-liter V6 Ecoboost turbocharged engine, paired to a 4-wheel drive system and a 10-speed automatic transmission with auto start-stop technology. The exterior, it comes with a ton of great features. Starting at the front, we have a body-colored grille surround and a tarnished gray honeycomb grille, a body-colored lower bumper, black-wrapped toe recovery hooks, a hood and side body decal, part of the Lariat Special Edition package. It has black housing, headlamps with LED daytime running lights, signal lights, high beams, low beams, and a pair of halogen fog lamps. This model is equipped with a 20-inch tarnished gray alloy wheel exclusive to this package. We have bliss blind spot monitoring mirrors with LED side lighting, body-colored door handles with intelligent access key, and Ford factory remote start. This model also features at the side black platform running boards and 4 full doors to accommodate 5 passengers, privacy tinted rear windows, a power overhead moonroof, and a squared-off exhaust tip out the passenger side. The Special Edition package graphic continues onto the tailgate, where you'll find rear park sensors, a heavy-duty trailer tow package with 7 and 4-pin electrical hookups, LED tail lamps, and reverse lights, as well as a body-colored tailgate handle. The tailgate power locks, and also has a power drops assist feature. In the box, you have 4 stationary cargo tie-downs, box-like management system, and LED box lighting. If you look at the rear window, you'll see that there's a power sliding rear window glass and rear window defrost. The interior is a black with a black brushed aluminum accent. You'll find standard options include power windows, power locks, and power folding mirrors, memory seating, door speakers, and door storage pockets, carpeted flooring, automatic headlamps, power adjustable brake pedals, an electronic parking brake, and LED side lighting, a power heated steering wheel that offers the tarnished gray accent. It also includes a trackpad for the menu zone, trackpad for the media zone, a sync voice activated control switch, and standard cruise control. We have a flow-through center console and a unique red and black 2-tone leather seat exclusive to this package. Both front seats are heated and cooled. They feature power controls with lumbar support. Overhead, we have a twin-panel moonroof with power sunshade, a set of universal garage door openers, a power sliding rear window switch, a set of map lighting, and an auto-dimming rearview mirror. This model has a push-button engine start and a unique productivity screen located in the driver's view. We have electronic shifting 4-wheel drive, a premium sound system from B&O Audio. Underneath the B&O Audio logo, you'll see a traction control switch, hazard lamp switch, and auto start-stop technology. Then we have a sync-free touchscreen with navigation, backup camera, Wi-Fi connectivity, and 6 months of prepaid Sirius Satellite radio subscription. Moving down to the climate controls, we have heated and cooled seats, heated steering wheel. We have air conditioning, rear window defrost, and an individualized temperature for the driver and passenger. We have a 12-volt and 110 power outlet, 2 smart charger speed ports, and a locking glove box. We have a 60-40 split bench rear seat, tons of leg and headroom, heated outboard seats, a 12-volt and 110 power outlet, a set of rear air vents, a flat storage floor, the twin-panel moonroof, a second row power windows, door speakers, and door storage. If you have any additional questions about this model, please don't hesitate to contact our professional and friendly sales staff, or refer to the window sticker link for additional information. We look forward to seeing you in the showroom, and we thank you for shopping online with us here at Boundary Ford.